nice underwear mail time, and happy Red Week, you guys. Thank you. Oh, the first gift is from Ariel. I think it's cute. Tess, Kitty. The next gift is from Monacaris Ladybug. She gave me a D-pack. Thank you, girl. Next gift is from. This is from my my Wishley. She got it for me. There's one. Electric. I don't know. Music and art lover, 13. Pretty girl swag. Another gift from Pretty girl swag. You gotta kiss a girl. This is from Ray Ray. Wet Cute Blossom. That's from her. Okay. This is from LOL like LOL. Thank you. This is from the fuck random shit. Sunshine is my summer. The next one is from Ashley Yoshi. What she said. A bread, cute. I'm gonna keep on thumbs. Oh my gosh. Let's keep going. I have an invitation. Oh, from Why Me Lockout? Okay. From Cutie Pie, she buys something from my Richly. I'm like, thank you, girl. Army girl, thank you. Flames, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Thank you, cool and cute. Yes, recording. Oh, from Chair Dark Star, I guess. Sorry. Guys, sorry if I say some of your username wrong. I look so cute. Look at that. Like you have pants under there. Okay, that's the end.